Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I have a haul from Queenacraft, and as always they send you thank you card, see, and a gift. And I have another little notebook for the purse. This is the first time, and this is a clock with Roman numbers. There is this circle that's for the center, so you can cut in a different color, and it comes with these two hands, okay, right here, see. And now I'm going to show you my sample, and I made a card that looks like this, see. And here is how it looks, the numbers. And these are the hands. I put a brad up here so you can move this one. And right here, this one is from Queenacraft as well, and it says love you always. And I use foam tape to make it dimensional, see. This one is from Queenacraft, and it says you and me, and it's 6x6, and it comes 12 designs and 2 sheets of each one, so it's 24 sheets total. And this one it looks like for wedding. I'm going to show you. And my sample is this one right here, a card that says happy birthday, and I use these two. And as you can see, this one is the background, and I try to imitate the same design up here. So I made this rosette using this paper, okay. And then I have these 3 colors from my stash, and I put happy birthday, and it looks like for a celebration. And this is how you can play with some of the papers, okay. And this one is Alice 6x6, and it comes with same 12 designs, 2 sheets, and total is 24 sheets, okay. And this is how it looks. So these are the papers that come in this pad. I made this card, okay, and here are the papers. You see, this one is the background, and this one I cut it up here to make it a smaller, okay, these two. And right here, this one is another die from Queenacraft, and it's this one right here, okay. So it has the flowers all around, and I just put rhinestones in the centers, okay. And this is from my stash. It says best wishes, and this flower is from Queenacraft as well. And here are the flowers, okay. See, it comes these 4 flowers, okay, and the center. But I use this one as a center and just these 3 petals to put it on top. Can you see? One, this one is the second, 2 and 3, and this one as the center. Okay. And now I'm going to show you this stamp, and I like it because it has the design of wood. See? I'm gonna show you my card. Okay, it's right here. See? And this is how it looks, the wood right here. And for this, my paper was ivory, and I stamped with distressing vintage photo. And after I stamp, I just distress a little bit with the same color, but it looks different, right? When you distress and when you stamp, see? And right here, this is another die, and it's this one right here, see? It's like a letter C. And what I did is I just cut this one in this kind of aqua, and I cut 2, okay? The first one I put like a C, and then the second one I cut in the center, and I move a little bit, okay, down and up, so you have like a, so you have more vines. And then I just put these 3 flowers that I made using this die, okay, and this is how it looks. And I just put best wishes, and this can be great for a birthday or to congratulate someone, okay? See? And the last one is this little box that I wanted to try. It says sealing wax, okay? But these are stickers, okay? And I knew it was stickers, but I wanted to use in my vintage journals. See, I'm going to show you. It has a lot of these, and I'm going to show you how they look. Some of them have some designs, and some are just simple like this, okay, and they have in different colors. See, some are very simple, and I try to emboss one, okay, and it rips. This paper rips, so it's better if you stamp something. Maybe you can stamp a little flower or something, and it looks like embossed, okay? And it has adhesive at the back, so you can just put it on your envelopes, okay? And yeah, look at this color, is so beautiful, right? And it has like this gold and this dark red. And I'm going to show you how it looks in an envelope, okay? And for example, I have this envelope that I made, and this is a card and it looks vintage, and I decorated this part up here so you can write a name. And then you can put this seal on top, and how great it looks, right? So beautiful. And you just peel, okay? And look, it has an adhesive right here, so you can just add to your envelope and it will look like this. See? Super, right? I'm very happy with these items. And I have one more die to show you, okay? And it's this one right here, okay? And this one makes flowers. And look, it cuts like this, okay? And I'm going to show you quickly how you can make a flower, but let me show you how they look first, okay? And I made a sample and looks like this. And I make this easel card. Can you see? Looks like this, okay? And this is for the message, and it looks like this, okay? And you can put any kind of center. I just wanted to put these pearls, and I'm going to show you how to make one of these, okay? So for this flower, these die cuts, they have right here a dotted line, so you have to fold in there, okay? You just fold it, and then after you fold them all the sides, this one is like the center, so only that part you're going to curl a little bit, okay? Just like this. Okay. Okay, then you're going to turn to this side and you're going to fold, fold, then you're going to fold one more time, okay? And then this one you're going to put underneath, okay? Carefully, and your flower is done. So this is how it looks, and if you want, you can add another center, for example, this little flower, okay, or something like this, or a button, or a pearl. You don't even need any glue. You just need the glue for the center, and that's it. I hope you like my cards and get some inspiration on how to make them. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.